Welcome back, tech lovers. Today, we've lined up 11 incredible and futuristic gadgets that will absolutely blow your mind. From AI-powered devices to smart everyday tools, these products are designed to make your life smarter, easier, and way cooler. And guess what? If you see something you love, you'll find all the purchase links right there in the description below. So stick around until the end, because number 11 is guaranteed to surprise you. Let's dive in. OSO AI Earbuds. Next, the OSO AI Earbuds aren't your average headphones. These earbuds use artificial intelligence to optimize sound, reduce background noise, and even adapt to your environment. Whether you're in a crowded train or a quiet room, the sound is always crystal clear. Music, calls, and podcasts, everything feels personalized just for you. FIYTA Space Shuttle. Watch for watch enthusiasts. Here's something truly special. The FIYTA Space Shuttle watch is inspired by space exploration and designed with precision engineering. Its unique design pays tribute to astronauts, while its craftsmanship ensures durability and style. It's not just a timepiece. It's a piece of history you can wear on your wrist. ONEXPLAYER. G1 lets take portable gaming to the next level with the ONEXPLAYER G1. This handheld console runs PC games with incredible performance, giving you console-quality graphics wherever you go. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or chilling at home, this device ensures gaming never stops. It's like having an entire gaming rig in your hands. IVYCable P6. If tangled cables drive you crazy, the IVYCable P6 is here to fix that. It's a magnetic, self-organizing cable that snaps neatly into place every time you use it. Fast charging, durable build, and no more messy cords. It's a small gadget that solves a big everyday annoyance. Edifier QR65. Audiophiles, this one's for you. The Edifier QR65 is a smart speaker that doesn't just deliver incredible sound, it also has a futuristic design with RGB lighting and smart controls. With its high-resolution audio and stylish build, it's perfect for music, movies, or even upgrading your desk aesthetic. Pod 4 Ultra. Finally, let's end with something fitness lovers will appreciate, the Pod 4 Ultra. This tiny wearable tracks movement, speed, and performance in real time, giving athletes the data they need to improve. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, or just love training, it helps you push your limits with smart insights and advanced analytics. BusyBar. Imagine being able to tell everyone around you whether you're busy or available, without saying a word. The BusyBar is a simple yet genius LED bar that lights up with different colors to show your current status. Whether you're working, on a call, or just need focus time, this device communicates for you. It's perfect for home offices or shared workspaces where privacy and productivity matter. TinyEdge. Next, we have the TinyEdge, a portable mini computer that packs surprising power into a pocket-sized design. Whether you're coding, running lightweight apps, or just browsing on the go, this gadget gives you the flexibility of a PC without the bulk. It's like carrying a desktop in your pocket, efficient, practical, and super futuristic. Gardyn. Now let's talk about a product that brings tech into nature. Gardyn, the smart indoor garden. Imagine growing fresh herbs, vegetables, and even fruits inside your home, all controlled through an app. It uses AI to monitor water, light, and nutrients, ensuring your plants thrive with minimal effort. It's sustainable, healthy, and perfect for city living. Machenike KT84 gamers. You'll love this one. The Machenike KT84 is a mechanical keyboard that combines RGB lighting, customizable keys, and a sleek design. But what makes it stand out is its unique tactile feedback, making every keystroke satisfying whether you're gaming or typing. It's not just a keyboard, it's a statement piece for your desk setup. OBSBOT Tiny SE. If you do a lot of video calls, meet the OBSBOT Tiny SE, an AI-powered webcam that tracks your movements. No matter where you go in the frame, it follows you smoothly, keeping you perfectly centered. It's like having your own camera operator, making it ideal for creators, streamers, and professionals who want to look sharp on camera.